What's up, everybody? I am excited to announce I am part of the Monsterbass Pro Staff family now. Just got my first Monsterbass bag in. They actually send you a tackle bag. It's kind of cool. You can use this when you go out fishing instead of just getting a box you gotta throw away. And they actually look your area up and give you baits based on the area you're in. You're not just getting some random stuff, which is awesome. So I'm super excited. Let's get into this thing. Lipless shad crankbait. Looks really lifelike. What is that? This is some crazy, it's a luck strike, some type of crankbait. Another shad type of profile. We've got some soft plastics. Whoa, those are dope. Those are just like some leeches. Let's see, some crazy bug bait. Crazy like tadpole or something. Alright, now we got a neck gator. I didn't know you can get these. What? It's a Monsterbass neck gator. That is sick. I don't even have one of these, so that's really nice. There we go. Some crazy like click and jig. Melee jig? Booyah baits? That's pretty interesting. Spear points. These are amazing hooks. I actually love these. Super cool. Got the Monsterbass t-shirt as well. Plus ordered myself a little tackle box, waterproof. Super nice stuff. I'm very excited to be involved with this company.